connecting Arizona. Live from the 12 News studios at 200 East Van Buren. This is 12 News.
The man accused in a shooting rampage in Tucson last year is expected in court on Tuesday, and a person familiar with the case says he is competent to enter a plea. Jared Loughner, who suffers from schizophrenia, has been undergoing medical treatment. Auralia Ortega spoke with a psychiatrist about the mental rehabilitation Loughner has undergone.
Jared Loughner's mental condition has been a key factor in the court proceedings since the January 2011 mass shooting that killed 6 people and wounded 13 others, including then U.S. Representative Gabrielle Giffords. Loughner was declared incompetent to stand trial in May of last year and was diagnosed with schizophrenia. Their brain is working in an altered reality that doesn't apply the same rules and regulations as we do. We spoke with Dr. Michael Yasinski, a board-certified psychiatrist, about treating schizophrenia. With him, he was refusing medications for a long period of time, which made the court battle go and last much longer because they had to fight back and forth whether or not they can force medication or whether or not they can't. A court did order Loughner to take medication to treat his mental illness. There are reports of him showing guilt and feeling badly. That is a kind of evidence that now that he has become clear or the psychiatric symptoms have resolved, that he is actually showing some degree of regret. Loughner was facing the possibility of a death sentence if convicted, but a guilty plea might mean a lengthy prison sentence instead of death. Loughner will again be asked a series of questions by the judge in court. It's things like, do you understand the charge? Do you understand the role of each person in court? Do you understand the implications of what you've done? And then the implications of the plea you want to make and the consequences of making that plea. Dr. Yasinski says there are signs to look out for, and there is something that you can do to get help for that person before it's too late. He says if you see a noticeable change in somebody's behavior or if they become isolated, call police and they can check on that person. Auralia Ortega, 12 News.